Hi, it's Dr. McCarthy here, and I want to welcome you to our website. And today we're going to talk a little bit about knee pain. Many of you have seen the ad in the newspaper that we put out, so I wanted to tell you a little bit more about it in person. The knee pain protocols that we're using is a special protocol that we've put together with some of the brightest minds across the country. We call it the Atlas Protocol. There's multiple different layers of things that we do that help people with chronic knee pains. Face it, if the drugs were working, you wouldn't be watching this video right now. What I want you to do is just take the next 10 seconds and think about two things that you can do to make yourself healthier. Go ahead. Let's face it, if any of you sat there and thought about two things that could make you healthier, and one of those was take more drugs, well, then this isn't the right place for you. Actually, you know what those things are, and we're going to go over those things. You know, you've been told, well, just get some exercise. It'll make your knee feel better. Well, how can you exercise if you have knee pain? That's where our Atlas Protocol comes into play. First thing that we do is what's called decompression, and it's a really comfortable procedure, and we're going to show you a short video on that in just a few minutes. It explains exactly how we can open up that joint space really comfortable, and it opens it up, that decreased joint space that you might have seen on the x-ray. Many times doctors will have told you, oh, your cartilage is worn away, it's complete bone on bone. If you do the decompression, you can take the stress off of that joint. Next thing that we use, and again we'll include a short video of this, is low-level laser therapy. We use specific protocols that have been around for decades on how to decrease inflammation inside a joint. And this laser therapy is super fantastic. You see many sports teams carry these things, and it is painless. There's absolutely no downside to doing this, and it helps to restore normal joint pain and get rid of your joint pain. The next thing we do is specific soft tissue protocols. Some of the things that we need to work on are your quadriceps, your hamstrings, and your gastroc muscles. All of the muscles that attach around your knee. And if you've got problems in these muscles, it gives you abnormal wear and tear on the joint. Well, you can take all kinds of painkillers to try and get rid of the pain, but if the problem's related to muscle problems affecting the joint, if you don't fix the muscle problems, you're never going to fix the problem. We're not trying to cover up your pain. We're trying to fix what's going on in your knee. Last thing that we use are specific targeted anti-inflammatory supplements, not drugs. Drugs do not work in this case. Drugs do not work for chronic pain. Anti-inflammatory supplements do. And we've got a couple of different lines that we use, and it's all part of this Atlas protocol that we spoke about. Next, I want to show you the short videos that we talked about on decompression and low-level laser therapy. Then what I want you to do is when you've seen this stuff, I want you to call my office now, make an appointment. We're charging only $47. That's upwards of $200 worth of services for only $47 to find out if you are a candidate for the Atlas Protocol. And if you are, we're going to help you get your life back again. Thank you. Decompression helps to open the joint space of the knee, relieving the pressure and the pain. It is safe and it's very comfortable. There are over 4,000 studies that validate the effectiveness of cold laser therapy. Laser therapy is clinically proven to reduce your pain and accelerate the healing process and help you feel dramatic relief from acute and chronic painful conditions such as your knee pain. Okay, thanks for watching the videos. Hopefully that makes sense to you. And you can see both of those things are completely painless procedures, and that's what we're really about here. Non-invasive, non-drug, non-surgical solutions to your knee pain. So again, for only $47, what you will get is your initial evaluation. We'll sit down and we'll talk. I'll actually listen to you. We'll take time to understand your problems. We'll do a complete orthopedic neurological evaluation so we can find out exactly what's the cause of the problems that you're experiencing. And then we'll actually do your first treatment. We'll put you through the decompression, the laser therapy, the soft tissue. We'll go over the supplements with you. And then we'll set you up to come back in the next day or very shortly thereafter where we'll do your second visit. On your second visit, we're going to see how you responded to the first visit that we've done. And that's going to help us determine what kind of success we expect to get doing this Atlas protocol in helping you relieve your knee pain. So what I need you to do now is call Kathy immediately. We've limited this to a certain amount of callers, so you got to call now to reserve the spot. It's 758-2222, and I look forward to helping you. Thank you.